Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately we've got a special app which is pre-installed on this device, and what I mean is the security app. So just find it and tap on it. And here we've got the section security scan, so let's tap. Give the permissions, and now your device will basically scan itself in order to find any kind of malware or viruses. It will also check the privacy and security and payment environment, and basically after the scanning it will show you the information about the results. So of course preferably it will show you the info that everything looks good and everything is alright, but if it will find any kind of viruses or malware, then it will show you relevant information about that, and also steps which you can take in order to get rid of the risk. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.